Hey Stellar creators, Lily here. In this first video, we'll set up your first loyalty card for regular customers using the Stellar Hub service. Let's get started. We're currently on the main dashboard where you can find all your loyalty cards, statistics, and traction reports. First, open the card section from the left-hand menu and click Create New Card. You'll be able to choose from over 100 ready-made templates, each designed for popular local business niches. In our case, I'll select the Bar Loyalty Card template. In the next step, you'll choose one of the 8 loyalty mechanics available in the Stellar Hub service. We offer 5 loyalty mechanics designed specifically to retain existing customers and 3 mechanics focused on acquiring new customers through digital ads or other channels. Let's start by talking about the retention cards. Stamp Card works like the classic Starbucks program. Customers collect 12 stamps and earn a free reward like food or coffee. Reward Card allows you to set up an unlimited number of free reward tiers for your customers. Membership Card helps you build a membership program and create a loyalty club around your brand. Tier-based Discount Card offers classic discount levels like bronze, silver, and gold, each with different savings percentages. Cashback Card functions like a traditional banking cashback card, giving money back on purchases. For customer acquisition, we offer Coupon Card, designed especially for acquiring customers through Facebook and Google Ads. Multipass Card works like a prepaid stamp card. Certificate Card functions like a prepaid debit card. We'll cover the setup for acquisition cards in our next videos. Now, let's choose the Stamp Card template and the Stamp Loyalty mechanic. I believe it's the clearest and easiest card to get started with right now. On the settings page, you'll customize your loyalty card rules and settings. First, select the main language. By default, it's International English. You can set an expiration date for your card or keep it running forever as a continuous loyalty program. You can also set up short-term promotions for specific times of the year, like Christmas or Black Friday campaigns. Next, add your business locations so that customers can receive geo-located push notifications when they are within 330 feet of your store, a fantastic tool for local businesses. After that, configure the carding form. This is where your customers will provide personal information when installing the loyalty card. All this information is stored securely inside the Stellar Hub CRM, allowing you to segment and personally communicate with your customers later. You can also add UTM links if you plan to distribute your loyalty card through different channels, like Facebook ads, Google ads, offline flyers, or partner promotions. Create UTM links labeled Facebook, Google, or local store, and distribute them across your marketing channels. Then, select the appropriate phone number mask, for example, the United States format. You can also upload your privacy policy, and in the Analytics section, add your Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics tracking codes to measure performance like open rates and conversions. Once done, click Continue to the Design section. Now it's time to customize the appearance of your loyalty card. Start by setting the number of stamps needed to earn a reward. By default, it's set to 10 stamps. Then, customize the appearance of active and inactive stamps. You can either use icons available in our library or upload your own custom icons in PNG format for a fully personalized look. Upload your company logo in PNG format as well, which will also appear on push notifications next to your company name. You can change the background image behind the stamps, adjust the card colors, and add custom fields displayed under the stamp line. Next, update the card description section. Set the promotion name. Describe how customers earn a stamp. Add your business name and reward details. Write transactional push notifications for stamp earning and reward redemption. Set an initial number of stamps customers receive after installing the card. Configure the referral program rules and rewards. Add active links to your website, social media profiles, or appointment booking service. You can also set up links to collect reviews on platforms like Google Maps, Yellow Pages, or Yelp, boosting your online visibility with every customer visit. Finally, add your terms of use and any other important card information. Once everything looks good, you can copy the card link and start distributing it. But before that, you must activate your loyalty card. Before activation, you can test up to 10 cards on your personal devices. After activation, you'll be able to create unlimited loyalty cards using this template. Click Activate to proceed. Important: after activation, you can no longer change the card type, loyalty program terms, expiration date, or carding form, so make sure everything is finalized before clicking Activate. Once activated, the system will offer you ready-made promotional materials. These materials are available in A4 or A5 format. Simply click Download PDF, print the materials, and place them in your store to start promoting your loyalty program. And that's it. You're all set. Great job setting up your first loyalty card.